off by showing your skin some love. I'm using Origin's Rose Clay Face Mask. Apply avoiding the eye area. With Valentine's Day coming up, I've taken the classic Love Hearts by Swizzels as my inspiration. These iconic sweets were launched in the 1950s, so I've given this tutorial a vintage pin-up feel. Relax for 10 minutes, then rinse. Next, you need to moisturize, and while this sinks in, you can apply your eyeshadow. I'm using the By Terry foundation on my eyes, followed by MAC Chromaline in pure white on my lid. This will make the pastel color pop. I'm applying it just over my natural crease, then flicked out in the corner. Blend along the line to soften it, then press down with your fingers to even the layer out. Before it dries, apply a pastel pink eyeshadow. Define your crease slightly by adding a light brown color applied with a small brush just above the line of the pink eyeshadow, then blend it. With pastels, your eyes can easily look very washed out, so use a black eyeliner such as Bobbi Brown Black Ink Gel Liner and flick it out at the side. Apply a dot of white eyeshadow on your lid above your iris, looking straight ahead, and on your brow bone. Apply it starting in the middle, then blend it out to both sides. Time for mascara. To concentrate the curl on the outer corners for more of a 50s flick look on your eyelashes, look towards your nose on the side when you're using the eyelash curlers. I'm using Benefit the Real Mascara. Use fake eyelashes that are winged, having longer eyelashes on the outer corner. I'm also adding mascara to the bottom lashes, but I don't want them to be quite so long, so I'm pinching off some of the product while it's still wet with the tip of my nails. Before foundation, use the Benefit Professional Primer. The pin-up brows were fairly arched, so I'm going to emphasize this as I fill them in. I'm then using highlighter on top of my cheekbones and on my nose, then shading. Then powder. I'm drawing bigger lips on myself using MAC Lip Liner Pencil in red. Then I'm using the MAC lipstick in the gorgeous color called Amplified. Finish off with a blusher. I'm using two colors, both from Bobbi Brown. First a light one called Peony. I'm concentrating the color on the apples of my cheeks and then blending it towards my ear. Then a darker color called Apricot. I find it looks much better when using two shades when doing a stronger cheek, as it looks more blended and naturally flushed.